Hey everyone, welcome back to T-Auto. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many drivers: why your car might be losing power. Whether you're on the highway or just running errands, a loss of power can be frustrating. Let's break down the main reasons this happens. First up, let's talk about fuel. If your car isn't getting the right amount of fuel, it can lose power. This could be due to a clogged fuel filter, a failing fuel pump, or even dirty fuel injectors. If you notice your engine sputtering or struggling to accelerate, it might be time to check your fuel system. Next, we have air intake issues. Your engine needs a specific air-fuel mixture to run efficiently. If the air filter is clogged or there's a problem with the intake manifold, it can restrict airflow, causing a drop in power. Regularly checking and replacing your air filter can help keep everything running smoothly. Moving on to the ignition system. If your spark plugs are worn out or the ignition coils are failing, your engine won't fire properly. This misfiring can lead to a noticeable loss of power. Keeping your ignition system in good condition is key to maintaining engine performance. Another reason could be exhaust blockages. A clogged catalytic converter can restrict exhaust flow, which can hinder engine performance and power. If you notice a decrease in acceleration or hear unusual noises, this might be the culprit. Lastly, don't overlook the transmission. If it's not shifting properly or there's low transmission fluid, it can lead to power loss. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure smooth operation, so there you have it. Those are some of the main reasons your car might be losing power. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's a good idea to consult a mechanic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.